Hello my dear students, welcome to our second video of class 6, chapter 4, in the earliest cities. Let us begin the video. बच्चों, जैसे कि हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बात किया था इंडियन सब कंटिनेंट के सबसे पुराने शहर की और वहां के लोगों की, तो आइए इस वीडियो में हम उनके बारे में और डिटेल्स में पढ़ते हैं। न्यू क्राफ्ट्स इन द सिटी। आइए देखते हैं कि आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने क्या खोदा, क्या पाया, एंड व्हाट आर दे मेड अप ऑफ। मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट हैव बीन फाउंड बाय आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट फ्रॉम हरप्पन आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट्स आर मेड ऑफ स्टोन, सेल एंड मेटल, इंक्लूडिंग कॉपर, bronze, gold, and silver. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments, and vessels. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels. Perhaps the most striking finds are those of beads, weight, and blades. Beads क्या है? क्या आप जानते हैं? Beads से मालाएं बनती हैं, जो कि महिलाएं गले में पहनती हैं और अपनी खूबसूरती को बढ़ाती हैं। Harappans also made seals out of stones. Seals are stone on which they wrought something or made something. These are generally rectangular and usually have an animal carved on them. The Harappans also made pots with beautiful black designs. Cotton was probably grown at Mehrgarh from about 7,000 years ago. Actual pieces of cotton were found attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists have also found spindle cords made of terracotta and pens. These were used to spin thread. Specialist. A specialist is a person who is trained to do only one kind of work, for example, cutting stone or polishing beads or carving seals. Perhaps some women and men may have been specialists to perform different kinds of works in search of raw materials. क्या आप जानते हैं कि raw materials क्या होते हैं? Raw materials are substances that are either found naturally, such as wood or ores of metal, or produced by farmers or herders. These are then proceed to produce finished goods. For example, cotton produced by farmers is a raw material that may be proceed to make cloth, while some of the raw material used were copper, tin, gold, silver, and precious stones. The Harappans probably got copper from present-day Rajasthan and even from Oman in West Asia. Tin, which was mixed with copper to produce bronze, may have been brought from present-day Afghanistan and Iran. Gold could have come all the way from present-day Karnataka and precious stone from present-day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Hence, unlike stone or shell that are found naturally, fence is material that is artificially produced. A gum was used to shape sand or powdered quartz into an object. The objects were then glazed, resulting in a shiny, glassy surface. The colors of the glaze were usually blue or sea green. Fence was used to make beads, bangles, and teeny vessels. Food for people in the cities. While many people lived in the cities, others living in the countryside grew crops and reared animals. These farmers and herders supplied food to craft persons, scribes and rulers in the cities. The Harappans grew wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseeds and mustard. A new tool, that plough, was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seeds. While real ploughs have not survived, toy models have been found. As this region does not receive heavy rainfall, some from the irrigation may have been used. This means that water was stored and supplied to the fields when the plants were growing. The Harappans reared cattle, sheep, goat, and buffalo. Water and pastures were available around settlements. However, in the dry summer months, large herds of animals were probably taken to greater distance in search of grass and water. They also collected fruits like burr, caught fish, and hunted wild animals like antelope. Students, let's revise. New crafts in the city. Most of the things that have been found by archaeologists are made of stone, shell, and metal, including copper, bronze, gold, and silver. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments, and vessels. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments. The Harappans also made pots with beautiful black designs. Cotton was probably grown at Mehrgarh from about 7,000 years ago. Actual pieces of cloth were found attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists have also found spindle oars made of terracotta and fines. These were used to spin thread. A specialist is a person who is trained to do only one kind of work, for example, cutting stone or polishing beads or carving seals. In search of raw materials. Raw materials are substances that are either found naturally, such as wood or ores of metals, or produced by farmers or herders. The Harappans probably got copper from present-day Rajasthan and even from Oman in West Asia. Tin, which was mixed with copper to produce bronze, may have been brought from present-day Afghanistan and Iran. Gold could have come all the way from present-day Karnataka and precious stones from present-day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Let's see, students, what you have understood. Question 1. Which metal were the most of the things found by the archaeologists made of? Option A, stone. Option B, copper and gold. Option C, silver. And option D, all of these. Your correct answer is option B, all of these. Question 2. From where did Harappans get copper? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Delhi. Option C, Kerala. And option D, Rajasthan. Your correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. Question 3. Harappans irrigate their fields and grow plants through option A, rainfall. Option B, stored water. Option C, streams. And option D, rivers. Your correct answer is option B, stored water. Question 4. Which of these groups of people did not usually live in cities but countrysides? Option A, rulers. Option B, craftsperson. Option C, farmers and herders. And option D, scribes. Your correct answer is option C, farmer and herders. Homework question. Students, your homework questions are: Question 1. What is raw material? Question 2. Name the metals that were used in Harappan cities. Question 3. How do archaeologists know that cloth was used in Harappan civilization? And question 4. Describe the use of metals by Harappan people. I hope students you will give the answers correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next module.